Hey guys, welcome back to LPS Lollipop Pause. So today it is raining, as you can see from the title of the video. But I was bored, so I'm just gonna make this video, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. I need some ideas of the videos down in the comments below. So in this video, sorry, my nose is stuffed up because all the pollen. If you wanna choose the video, comment down below. I'll do the video and I'll say your name. Let's get on with the video. Whoa, rainbow! Wow, I like rainbows.
Yeah, they're awesome.
Me
They're so
too.
colorful. Ouch. I'm okay.
Ah, rainbows are really cool. Hey, Dawn. Yeah, babe. The rainbow is pretty cool, but what you talking about? Just get out of the picture. Ugh. Anywho, I made a rain tester. What do you mean a rain tester? Follow me. Let's follow. I guess everybody else is going. Wait for me. So here it is. Lovebirds. Yep. Agreed. Hey, aren't we lovebirds? Let's just watch them. Now, it doesn't look like it's raining very much, but it's enough to get my rain catcher enough. Okie dokie, if you say so. We'll see. Can you help? Whoa. Okay, we'll see. I can tell it's just rained a little bit. Oh, now the sun's coming out. This is the most confusing day of my life. I'll agree on that one. Thank you guys for watching the vid. Let me face away for the sun. Okay, I don't know if that's better. It's not better. That's perfect. Happy St. Patty's Day. Whoop, whoop. If you're not wearing green, pinchy, pinchy. But if you are, okay. Anywho, I'm wearing green. If you can see or not. Ugh, come on. Wearing a green t-shirt. Sorry. So, hope you guys like this. I know it's pretty short. I have to go do something by making cookies. And I'm not kidding, I'm actually making cookies. But I hope you enjoyed this video. Have a nice weird day because it was raining and now it is sunny as the desert. Texas. Confusing.